Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Square Online Website Builder. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Square, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, if you want to go to the Square website, just type here squareup.com and you will be redirected to this page right here. So this is their main website page. This is where you can create your own account. So yeah, as you can see, Square Online Website Builder is one of the best platform, one of the website platforms that you can use to build your own simple informational page, or if you are selling, if you are making a e-commerce store, online store on your business, yeah, you can use this platform right here. So now, if you want to get started, you just need to click this one, create your site, or click sign in right here. And if you click on it, you will prompt up to sign up for Square account. So you can just use your email right here and provide a password. The website will now load and will prepare you on your account creation. So as you can see, it will ask you about your business. So no matter what you sell, Square has the tools to take your business where you want it to go. So it will ask what is your business name. So you just need to provide your business name. For example, I'm going to input a random name because this is only a tutorial. So what kind of business do you run? So you just need to choose among all of these options. That is, whether you are having a food truck business, table service, caterer, coffee business. Yeah, it's up to you what type of business you're running. So now I'm going to choose, for example, this one, food cart. Where you input this information, just click start using Square, and another question will pop up. So you need to tell the Square about your business. So what kind of business are you? So are you a sole proprietorship, single member LCC, multi-member, corporate, partnership, etc., etc.? It's up to you what kind of business you are. So after that, just need to input your business name, your preferred phone number, and after that, you just need to input your address, city, state, and your zip code. So if you're running a mobile business without a permanent physical location, you can check this box right here and click next. And after creating your account, you'll be redirected to the dashboard of the Square. So yes, you can see it's now loading, and this is the dashboard of the Square. And as you can see, this is the home page of your account, and it will ask you to demo your new point of sale. So you can try out the app by testing an item. So you can try it out to click this. If you want to click this window right here, where it will prompt you to select an item, for example, on your website to make your first sale. So yeah, you can choose, for example, this one, ice cream. Since I set my food type, uh, since I set my business into a food or food cart business, so as you can see, the Square recommends me to, and as you can see, Square gives me a demo about food business and how you can operate your online store on Square. On example, this one, I'm going to choose click charge $1. That you need to select a payment method after choosing the your. So you can see, first you need to unlock card payments for your business. So if you want, you can take cash instead, or if you want to use card, you need to verify your identity, and that's it. So you made your first sale. That's it. That's the demo. So now, what would you like to do next? So, you can see Square, when logging in, when creating an account on Square, right after that, it will demo you how to use the Square website itself. So you made your first sale. So you can now view this in your payments on dashboard. What would you like to do next? You need to add your items. So upload menus, or migrate menus from third-party services, and this is based on my business. So I chose a food cart business, but if you have chosen another type of business, this tutorial right here will be slightly different, and it will depends on the type of business that you have chosen. It will prompt you to add your items, first items on your business. and it will ask you to download the app so that you can take payments anywhere with the Square point of sale application, and you can make checkout fast and professional with Square Terminal or register. So shop for hardware. So for example, I'm going to click start. So before proceeding, let's go back and explore other things. So what you're going to do next after creating mainly an account and watching the demo, uh, first you can start your new website project. So in order to do that, as you can see, there will be an online tab right here, and after that, click website. So this is where you will create your website. So after clicking your website right here, this window will load, and as you can see, you can turn your browsers into diners with customized websites. So now you can just click start your site, and after clicking that, the Square will open its online editor where you can control everything about your site. So as you can see, we're preparing your site. This might take a few seconds. And you will be redirected to the website version of Square, and this is where you can start building your website. So there's also, they will show you your steps how to create properly a website. So you're 3 steps away from being able to publish your website. First is you need to customize your site. And as you can see there, you also provide a video right here that you can watch so that you can learn more about creating your website. So now, after going to the Square Online editor, you just need to choose your site type and template. Customize your site. Yeah, so you just need to click this one, and you will be redirected to this page or window right here where you can now choose a template that you can customize. So yeah, and as you can see, the themes or the customized themes that the Square will show you is based on the type of business that you set. So in my case, food business. So that's why all of this templates right here is showing food related. So now I'm going, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Going to select this. So you can see, before you can, customize a website, you need to have a higher subscription. So as you can see, Square will offer a 30-day free trial of their premium account, so you can try it out. But yeah, you can cancel it if you want. So we purchased a 30-day free trial for the Square Online for the Square Premium account. So now we can now select this. We can now select among all of these templates right here. So for example, let's select this one. So if we click on it, you will be redirected now to the website builder, and the Square will now start preparing your website. And as you can see, that's it. So this is the website builder. So this is the Square website builder. So this is the website uh so this is the Square website builder page. So this is where you can customize your business website. So you can choose whether you are editing the mobile version or the desktop version. So it's up to you. So let's say for example, you can customize this. So don't worry, it's just like the other website builder, just like Wix, Shopify, WordPress. It is very intuitive. It's just a drag and drop. You can click on each section, and if you click a section, there will be a properties tabs that will appear on the left side, and you can customize the section right here. You can change the layout. You can modify the column spacing, the color style of the section, and yeah, you can also modify the background. You can choose whether you use a color type background, custom color, or image. It's up to you. So you can add image right here. So it's very intuitive, very easy. Yeah, it's very easy to uh use and edit. So that's the best, and that's the best part. It's very intuitive, very simple to use. So yeah. So yeah, overall, Square will guide you through picking a starting point based on what you plan to do. So yeah, if you want to sell products, accept booking or appointments, show information only, portfolio, contact info flag. So each option comes with a pre-built section suited to that purpose. And that, yeah, so you can see it applies to my business right here that I have chosen, the food business. It's very easy. You can change the text. You can double click on the text right here to change the you know the font of the text. So yeah, for example, if you want to delete this image right here, you just need to click on this section, and under contents an image will appear, since in this sections there's an image that has been added. So if you want, you can replace it with another image, or you can delete it right here. So yeah, that's it. So it's very, very easy to modify this. Yeah, you can add pages and navigation. So yeah, if you want to add more elements, you can just, yeah. So actually, if you want to add more elements in the website, you can just click this icon right here to add a section if you want, or add a page, or if you want to add an item that is been added in your inventory. If you add some products in your inventory back here, yeah, you can add them right here, so that they will be shown in your website. So yeah, it really depends on the business that you have added. So yeah, you can add contents and features depending on your website type. So for e-commerce, yeah, you need to add products, prices, description, and image right here on the builder. So for example, you can just add a new section right here, add an image on your add an image of your product. So list all add an image of your product. You can list them one by one right here, and below them is their prices. So that's it. So for example, if you are making a informational site, so you can just add text sections, galleries, embedded videos, or documents. So this is as you can see, this templates right here is informational, one of the best example of an informational site. So they don't have any prices right here. They just input their they just put information about the the business. And if you're creating blogs, yeah, you can just create some space right here, just publish your blog post right here. And yeah, so you can see Square also lets you embed external widgets or code if needed. So mostly, yeah, that's what you can do inside the Square online website builder. So if you want to preview your website, you can click this one. So this is how it will look on the real time. Go back, and if you want to publish your site, just click publish right here on the top right corner. And after that, you just first need to set up your domain. You need to find your domain, or if you already use your own domain elsewhere, you can use this, or you can just use your default Square domain. So as you can see, the site is now published. So I can just click this one to go to my website. So this is actually my Square online website of my business. And yeah, that's it. That's all you can do. And if you want, you can update anytime after publishing. You can edit more pages. You can add more products, change the image, adjust settings, etc. Making general changes that will make your website more perfect, and publish it again to push the updates live. And that's it. That's how you can. And that's it. That's how to use Square Online Website Builder. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.